Welcome to UniPrep. The listening section of the actual test requires you to answer 40 to 50 questions across 4 task types in 29 minutes. You will hear the audio only once and cannot return to previous questions. This video covers one module, and the answers will be provided at the end. In the actual test, if you correctly answer 60% or more of the questions in the first module, you will advance to the hard second module. This is Module 1. Should I bring my laptop to the study group tonight? How long have you been waiting for the bus? Who won the campus writing contest? Did you remember to return the books to the library? What does your brother do for a living? Why did you decide to major in environmental science? When is your job interview scheduled? Did the package arrive yet?
Listen to a conversation. Hey, are you going to the career fair this afternoon?
I was planning to, but my history professor just scheduled a mandatory review session at the same time.
That's too bad. A lot of major companies will be there. Maybe you could stop by after the session?
The fair ends at 4, and the review session doesn't finish until 3:45. I'd only have 15 minutes.
That might be enough to drop off your resume with a couple of key employers.
That's true. I'll prioritize the companies I'm most interested in and head straight there. I'm so stressed about the group presentation next week. We haven't even decided on a topic yet.
I know. We have a meeting tonight, right? I was thinking we could propose focusing on renewable energy sources.
That's a broad topic. Maybe we could narrow it down to solar power adoption in urban areas?
That's a great idea. It's specific, and there's plenty of recent data. I can start putting together an outline of key points to discuss tonight.
Perfect. And I'll find a few recent news articles about city initiatives to share with the group. That might help get everyone engaged.
Listen to an announcement from the Transit Authority. Attention commuters! Due to scheduled maintenance on the main track, train service on the Blue Line will be suspended this Saturday and Sunday. Replacement shuttle buses will operate between Grand Avenue and Central Station, making all regular stops. Please expect delays of up to 20 minutes and plan your travel accordingly. We apologize for any inconvenience. Listen to an announcement from the Campus Health and Wellness Center. Your attention, please. The Health and Wellness Center is now offering free flu shots to all enrolled students. No appointment is necessary. Just visit the center during regular business hours. Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please remember to bring your student ID card. Protect yourself and others this flu season by getting vaccinated.
Listen to an academic talk in a biology class. Today we're going to discuss mycelium, which is the vegetative part of a fungus. You can think of it as the root system, though it's structurally different from plant roots. It consists of a vast network of tiny, thread-like structures called hyphae. These hyphae grow through soil, wood, or other organic material, secreting enzymes to break down complex molecules into simpler nutrients the fungus can absorb. This network can be incredibly extensive, In fact, one of the largest living organisms on Earth is a honey fungus in Oregon, whose mycelium spans over 2 miles. Beyond decomposition, mycelium plays a critical role in ecosystems by connecting plants through their roots, facilitating the exchange of water, carbon, and nutrients, a symbiotic relationship known as mycorrhiza.